Hey guys, it's Rob 88, and I got this good mini ball, or as I like to call it, the Blob Killer. Look. It sucks up people venom and turns them dun 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 dun. Okay, maybe not people, but little cute animals like these. See, he used to be like this, but now he looks like this. You see the difference? And this is the blob. These are the these are how many souls he has taken so far, the orange ones, and these are just the killer ones, and then they add one more every time he kills it. And this is how he cleans everything with this handle. So be out. Was this scary to you? Because if it was, don't even watch this